forefathers. Today is 27th day of April 2025. Been on Sunday morning. His Imperial Majesty, Dr. Ambassador Prosper Chukwuka, the King of Igbo worldwide, the King that does great things. Want you to touch the life of all my subjects in different parts of the world, anywhere they are, and give them the power of prosperity. Prosperities in different forms, prosperities in different dimensions, prosperities in different forms. As far as you are a subject of Ezomi Ugwu Palace, anywhere you are, whether you are in Nigeria or diaspora, I'm releasing a power of great prosperity in your life. From today, you will witness a great prosperity in everything you are doing for your living. As I pray, so shall it be.